Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 4, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus home key, like this at the same time, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again. Power key, home button, just press them at the same time and the screenshot will be taken. So one last time, power button, this middle button, and that's how it's done. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album. And here they are. And from here you can share, edit, delete your screenshots and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.